Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the SooPii USB-C to USB-C cable, 4 feet long, nylon braided. It has a maximum of 100 watts and supports PD and of course also quick charge, I guess, or so. And of course the very unique thing here is that it has a display built in which is supposed to show the power which is transferred through these cables. So let's open and see and then test it with my USB tester. So here's what we get. Here we have also some instructions. Comes even with some warranty. That's not bad. The question is then only where to claim the warranty. Let's check in the back. Yeah, here we have something. I hope you can see that. If you need some support or anything, that could definitely help. And so let's check the cable. It comes with this Velcro strap here. Nice thing, but I definitely don't need that. So let's remove this thing. Yeah, easy job to remove. Makes a good impression. Has some protection also here. I think it's one of the smaller ones with a display. I had already a larger one. This is a very small one. I mean, the plugs are very small. So here we have a 100 watts charger. So let's plug it in here. And first let's check here with this phone if it's charging and how it is charging. And so you can see there's nothing. We have to wait for the phone a little bit. Yeah, that's a bit crazy. I'm waiting and waiting and nothing is going to happen. I mean, there's no button, no nothing. So I found now the problem by chance. There are actually two different sides. It's not like a normal USB where you can plug any end to any device, like this side to the phone or the charger, this side to the phone and the charger. With this cable here, you have to plug the end with the display into the consumer, the device which is pulling the power, and the other one which doesn't have display into the wall charger. So let's do that again and we can see now it's showing some power finally. We can even see how it's counting up. So we do the same test as before. We have two wires, the one from the wall charger into this testing device and the other one from this test device into the phone. And here it says 7.5 watts and here we have also, yeah, or at least we had 7 watts. Now it's going up and down, but you can see 5 and 5. It's just reacting a little bit slower, takes a little bit more time than this USB testing device, but it's showing pretty much same value, 17 watts, 16.5. Let's also test with this device here. You can see it works with this black wire here on this output. Let's test this thing here with this, and it doesn't show any power. I don't know why. It has been really working with the black cable. There is some power, but not for this device. Let's go back here to the phone. We can definitely see some charge and some power, but for this device there is no power for whatever reason. I mean, it's a standard USB-C, so I don't know what's going on here. But let's do a simple test with this device here with a little bit of more power. So I do a ramp up test here. So let's start here a little bit slow. We are at 20 watts, showing about same 22. Here it's 21. So this thing should actually be a little bit ahead, but it's actually not. It's rather the opposite. So this shows already 24 when it's only consuming 23. But I mean, it's not far away. We have 30, we have, yeah, around 30, 35 and 40, 42 here. Yeah, really close. You can see it's pretty much matching, no big difference. 55, 55, 60. Yeah, this is a little bit ahead. I would say it's showing maybe a little bit higher values, especially when we go to really high power. 80 watts, 85, 84. Now it's getting close. I think I have to stop this thing here. It's pretty crazy. It has finished. So you can see we have been pretty much at 100 watts, 19.8 volts at 5 amps. And yeah, definitely this cable has been able to transmit 100 watts. When you go to a really high power, then there is a little bit of a discrepancy between what you are pulling and this display, but it's not too crazy. So let's do this test here without a ramp up, just 80 watts straight. And so let's check here, and we see it's showing 84. So this shows a little bit higher values when we are really pulling a lot, but it's not much. I mean, it's just a few percentages. So I think this is acceptable. Yeah, I have to stop this. I have already done same test with some very similar devices, also with this display, and it has been showing exactly same result. When we have been pulling very low amounts, then it was very close. When we are pulling a lot of power, then it's a little bit off, but it's not too crazy and still can help a lot. It looks like it's capable to transport a lot of power. By the way, it can also transport data. I haven't tested this, but it's not capable to transmit a video signal also, like most of the other C2C cables with a display. So I would say this is pretty good, at least at the moment. Full recommendation from my side, and so you can buy it directly from Amazon. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. Thanks for watching.